This project came about because MnDOT basically had this culvert down in southwestern Minnesota, and what it did is it had guardrails up on both sides of the street, and they wanted to actually increase the embankment slopes. So by increasing the embankment slopes, it actually lengthened the culvert, and because the culvert was lengthened, this issue of light came up as to whether or not this culvert was potentially too dark for fish to pass through. And where this culvert is actually located is in Topeka Shiner habitat, and Topeka Shiner is Minnesota's only federally endangered species of fish. So fish need to be able to move up and down a stream for a variety of reasons. If those parts of the streams aren't connected, or if there's potential barriers where they can't access it, we're losing a lot of genetic diversity. They want to be able to access these kind of slower moving backwaters. These upstream headwaters are spawning grounds. There's a lot of reasons why they want to be able to move up and down any part of the stream. So basically downstairs is what we did is we made a mock culvert or a mock stream, and we have two channels that the fish can choose. And what we do is we create a light and a dark side, and it varies what shade level and also what side the shade goes on. But we've never really looked at behavioral barriers. That's where this project is kind of one of the first. People ask this question, how much light do we need inside, and nobody knows. What we found from our field study is that we can't tease out length and light. So our results show potentially that light or length might be a barrier to fish, but you can't tell which one is which. So we're hoping maybe there's a threshold at which either light or length, we don't know, that you need something, either a light source or habitat inside, something that these concrete structures are missing.